Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we dive deep into the world of trading and equip you with the knowledge and strategies to make informed trading decisions. In today's video, we are thrilled to bring you a comprehensive guide to one of the most powerful approaches in trading, that is, price action trading. In this guide, we will explore the fundamentals of price action trading, its key principles, strategies, and best practices. Let's dive right in. So let's get started. In Section 1, we'll try to understanding price action trading. So let's learn, what exactly is the price action trading? Viewers, price action trading is a powerful approach that focuses solely on the movement of prices on a chart. By studying patterns, candlestick formations, and market dynamics, price action traders aim to identify recurring patterns and trends that can be used to predict future price movements. If we discuss the advantages of price action trading, the role of support and resistance levels, how to read candlestick patterns, and the importance of trend identification and market structure analysis is very important to understand the overall market strength and future directions. Now Section 2. Key Principles of Price Action Trading. Understanding the key principles of price action trading is essential for success. We'll delve into the importance of market context and environment, price rejection and confirmation, confluence of multiple factors, and risk management and position sizing. In Section 3, we'll discuss price action strategies. Let's explore various price action strategies, such as breakout trading, trend following, pullback and retracement trading, reversal trading, range trading, and finally even scalping. These strategies will give you a wide range of options to suit your trading style. So viewers, let's find out what are the tools and indicators for price action trading. Section 4, Price Action Trading. While price action trading primarily relies on pure price data, we'll also discuss some useful tools and indicators that can complement your analysis, including support and resistance lines, trend lines, moving averages, and Fibonacci retracement and extension levels. Let's learn Section 5, Developing a Price Action Trading Plan. Building a trading plan is crucial for consistency and success. We'll cover setting trading goals, building a trading strategy, maintaining discipline and emotional control, and the importance of backtesting and analyzing your results. And finally in Section 6, we'll discuss price action trading tips and best practices. Some of the best practices are such as patience and waiting for high probability setups. Similarly, managing risk and proper position sizing. Also, it is recommended to keeping a trading journal for continuous improvement. And staying updated with market news and events. Some of the common challenges and pitfalls in price action trading we normally encounter are trading with a false breakouts. You trade on breakout but price reverts back to old levels. Similarly, whipsaws, overtrading and impulsive decision-making, fear and greed, and emotional bias and confirmation bias which tend to make your trade incorrect. However, stop loss is very important to navigate successfully in the market.